Can I change your butt? Evie, did you go pee-pee? Did you go pee-pee? Yes, you did. Yeah. Did you go pee-pee? Evie. Hey. Did you go pee-pee? Yes. Can I change your butt? You ready to go? Do you want to go bye-bye? What? Do you want to go bye-bye? Don't know. Does that mean I don't know? Evie, we got to go get your brothers from school. Can we go? Yeah. Are you hungry? Yeah. What do you want to eat? Evie. Eat? Eat? We gotta go get Elliot and Ethan first. Does that sound good? Evan. Ready to go bye-bye? No. Can I change your butt first? Get a diaper. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yeah, let's change your butt. Come here. Let me change your butt. You could get a new one. Yes. I'll go get you. I'm gonna get you, Evie. Yes. Come here. Yes. Evan. Evie. Let's change your butt. Yes. Yes. I'm gonna get you. You stinker. Evie. Let's go. I wanna go bye-bye. Evie. Come here. Evan. Come here. Let's go. I'm leaving. You wanna go too? Yeah?
Yeah.
Where's your water? Go get your water. Yes. You're so stinker. I'm leaving. You want to go with me? Do you want to go with me? Oh, you got your water? Yeah? Wawa, we ready to go?
Yeah.
Hey.